Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, One Feisty Mama. My name is Elise if you're new here, and I'm going to be doing a little upstairs cleaning video for you guys today. And that includes my kids' 3 bedrooms, their bathroom, and our little family room / loft area up here. So when I come up here to pick up, if it's kind of a mess, I like to start with cleaning everything up off the floor. And then I'm going to give everything a good wiping down today and just a little light dusting. So I'm going to clean off the TV stand, take all the decor off so that I can wipe everything down well. And I'm also going to be vacuuming and wiping down all of the windowsills upstairs today. I am so not a jeans kind of person, you guys, so if you see me trying to pull up my pants or adjusting my shirt over and over again throughout this video, it's because I am trying so hard to get used to wearing jeans. Being in San Diego area, I didn't ever have to worry about wearing pants, but maybe a few days a year, where here it's been a huge adjustment and lifestyle change where sometimes I just don't want to wear leggings. I want to feel a little bit more put together, so I'll put jeans on, but it is very new to me, so bear with me if you see me adjusting my pants over and over again. When I'm cleaning up the kids' rooms, I usually start in Haley's room because it's kind of like the hub. She has the biggest bed, so I will make her bed and then I'll set any laundry that needs to be put away out on her bed and organize it from there and separate it into each bedroom that it needs to go into. So I like to make sure her room is nice and clean and ready to go so that I can bring laundry in and then go through that, and I'll get all of their laundry put away that way. Okay guys, I have a question for you. What do you think I would look like as a redhead? And I'm talking like more of a dark red, almost a brown color. What do you think? Because I am thinking about taking the leap. If you can see my hair now, I just had it done a couple of weeks ago and it just always looks like I have roots to me. I don't know what the deal is with that. But I am so tired of going to the salon every 5 to 6 weeks and sitting in the chair for 2 hours at a time. And it's no one's fault but my own because I have super thick hair. But if I could, cut my time in half or even by a half an hour of what I have to spend in the salon, even if I'm still going every 5 to 6 weeks, let me know what you think about that. I have posted a picture to my Instagram and Facebook with my inspiration picture, and my appointment's coming up in a couple of weeks, so I have a while to think about it. But I'm definitely thinking about it very seriously. Nick already told me that he would love it. He was a little bit shocked that I would pick a color like that, but he absolutely loved my choice. So let me know in the comments below what you think about going dark for fall or winter and what you think I would look like. Nick recently put this extra shelf up in Colton's room for me above his nightstand, and I'm hoping in the next couple of weeks to be able to help Colton decide on how he wants to keep his things displayed up there and organized. And I do have an organization video from a couple of weeks ago where I went through Colton's room and I went through his closet from things that were still left in there in boxes from when we moved, and we got everything all organized so that we could find things easily. But let me know if you have any ideas for what he should display on his shelf. We have tons of Legos, so I'm thinking we'll probably head in that direction. But if you'd like to watch that other organizational video, it is posted on my channel. When I'm vacuuming carpet, let me know if you do this too, but I like to vacuum my way out of a space. So as I clean the kids' rooms, I like to vacuum them when I'm done. And then when it comes time to vacuum the living room and the hallway upstairs, I will start at the far end by their bedrooms and work my way back out and do the living room. Here, I forgot to dust and wipe down these picture frames that are black, so it shows so much dust. And it gets really dusty here. I think it's because of the cornfield that's near us, and there is still a little bit of construction going on in our neighborhood. So even though we change our filters in the house quite frequently, we still get quite a bit of dust, and with turning on the heater recently, it's just adding to it. So I just wanted to wipe everything down really quick, and then I'm going to finish vacuuming. Hey guys, house is all clean, and every time I'm up here and I have the windows open, I'm up in our loft area, our little playroom, family room, whatever you want to call it. Every time I'm up here and I have the windows open, I remember what a beautiful view we have, and I get all excited again, like when we were building our house and it was just framed, and we came up here and we looked at the views all the way around the house, and we loved the view of the cornfield last year. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick. Hank's got the vacuum. So don't mind our dirty windows. It's raining today. It's raining outside, but look how pretty the cornfield is. You want to see? You can come up and see.
Whoa!
Hold on, Haley. But anyway, isn't this so pretty? I love it. It's our little view. And then we have a view of a house next door. No, just kidding. We love our neighbors. They're super sweet. But I love, love, love the cornfield out there. And we loved it when we were building our house too. That like totally sealed the deal for us. We had already bought the lot, and like this house was ours no matter what, but that view is just killer for us. We love it. Okay, and I just wanted to show you everything while it's still clean. The kids are now home from school, so I know it's not going to last very long, but here's everything as clean as it will be for the rest of the night. Hank's room, Haley's room. I love Haley's room. Her bedding's from Target, if anyone's wondering. And their bathroom. I love that they have a double sink. We added that when we built our house. Nice and clean. And Colton's room to finish it off. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.